This is my honest review of Capital One Mobile after actually using it. I've tried a lot of banking apps before, and honestly, most of them feel fine at first, but after a while they get annoying or confusing, so you only open them when you really have to. That's why Capital One Mobile surprised me, because it actually fits into real life instead of making simple things feel complicated. What I like most is how practical it is. You open the app, and everything you actually need is right there. Checking your balance, recent transactions, paying bills, transferring money, it all takes just a few taps. You don't need to spend time searching through menus or dealing with unnecessary steps, which makes a big difference when you're busy. The app is also very simple to use. Everything is clear and well organized. Even the first time I used it, I didn't feel lost or overwhelmed. It just feels natural, like it was designed for normal people, not banking experts. Design-wise, it's clean and professional. Nothing flashy, nothing distracting. It feels secure and well thought out, which is important for a banking app. You actually trust what you're using. Another thing I like is how it helps with consistency. Because it's so easy to open and use, you actually check your finances more often without feeling stressed about it. That alone makes it more useful long term. It's also very flexible. Whether you're at home, outside, or just have a minute to check something, it works smoothly and quickly. Overall, Capital One Mobile makes sense to use. It's not trying to impress you. It just works. And that's exactly what a banking app should do. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.